Hello YouTube, I'm Tafreed from DigiTube and I'm back with another video. So this video is about the basics of Final Cut Pro. For this video, you need to be almost knowing nothing about Final Cut Pro, not even knowing the icon. So we're gonna start from opening Final Cut Pro and then making you to export your first video. So I'm gonna walk you through the basics, and at the end of the video you will be able to make YouTube videos for your YouTube channel or maybe vlogs. So we shouldn't be wasting time. Let's go. Okay, so we're here at the laptop and now we're gonna open Final Cut Pro. I clicked it. Okay, now it's gonna open 10.4.3. okay, everything's empty, it's in the default settings. Now I will import the video. Okay, so select the videos and drag them into your media. So we have them here. Now you click new project and then OK, and then OK, and then OK. So we have these three footages. If you have imported them by selecting three of them into the media, then you can just drag them and pull them into the timeline. The three of them will be placed in the timeline. Okay, so if you want to know what is the settings of the timeline, you can see here 4K 30p, which means that 4K 30 frames per second. If you want to change this, you can change this. Click on Untitled Project and then go to Modify right here. You can change this from 4K to 1080p HD. Now we have the footage right here. It's being played. Now it changes to the next frame. If you want to add some transition between these two frames, you have to go right here. Click on this one. We have a lots of transitions right here. You can add custom transitions by downloading them from the internet and then placing them in the transition folder. I will teach you that if you want me to do that, but for now I'll just use cross dissolve. Okay, so now it says that there is no enough extra media beyond clip edges to create the transition. You want the transition to happen, so you have to click create transition. This will eat some of your video, but it's okay, we want the transition. So if you play the video now, you see the cross dissolve happens. Now if you want to place another thing like this arrow, and now we play, you can see this. So transitions, yeah, we can add transition. Now I will add a transition that I like. Okay, for example, I like this one. Now if I play this, now in the second clip we haven't added transition yet, so we can add it. And for this one I will add this one, clothesline. Now play this. This one was a bit fast because there is too much little space right here for the transition to happen. We can do one other thing, we can reduce the size of the first one. Now that happens quickly. Now we have some room for the second one, as you can see. So this is the second transition. Now suppose if you do not want this video to be playing directly in normal speed, so you can click on this. As you can see, there is a speed meter. Click on that. Now we have options: slow 50%. Now if you're 50% slow, it will run at half speed. Now you can change this back. You can change this to normal. Click on normal 100%. But what if you want to do reverse? Then you click on reverse clip. Now this video runs in reverse. Okay, then you can change this to normal. You can click reverse normal. Okay, so now it's normal. Now what if you want to split the video right here? What you can do is click on the video, place this, place this red line at the place where you want to split. Go to trim and click on blade. Now this part is splitted. If you want to delete this, go on the keyboard, hit the backspace key, and it would be deleted. But if you do not want that, then you can Control Z. Now what if you want this part to be in the first? So we can drag this, move it to the first clip, and place it behind that. Now we have it right here. Okay, so we have done transition, we have done reverse, we have done splitting, and now what we can do is, if you wanna add some text, go to this text here, and we have titles, many of them. You can add any of these which you like. You can have time to check, but for now I will add basic 3D. I will write hello. Okay, so now you can see we have hello. What if you want to make this fall only over this area? You can do that. And if you want to change the size, you can come here and size. You can make this small, you can make this big, and you can also change its position. If you come here to this film icon and then move the X and Z axis, you can change its position. Okay, so if I want to add another, so this time I would like to add a lower third, so you can place it right here, and I want it only to stay on the first clip. So when we play, you can see this is a lower third. There are many other options. If you like to add them, you can, but for now I would not, so I can leave it like this. So we have these three clips joined right here. Now if you want to add music, you can go to this icon, the camera with the music, and then we have all these musics that we have in iTunes, so you can download them and then you will see them here. I would like to add this one, so I placed it right here. So as you can see, the first area of the music is empty, there is no song, so I would like to cut it till that part and then drag it and place it in the starting. Okay, now as you see, our video is ending, so right here, so trim this and then delete the extra part. Now what if you want to fade the music? You know what is fading? When you start the music, it directly starts. You want it to start it from slow and then till the normal speed. Okay, so what you want to do is, you see small icon right here, drag it, and you can drag this till anywhere you want the music to play at the normal sound speed, normal loudness. So now if you play the music, it will not directly start, it will slowly like fade in and then fade out in the last if you want to add fade out. So we can drag this one like this, so we have fade in and fade out, both of them. Okay, so if you start the video, it will play till the end. We don't want that, so we can click on this extra solid and delete that. Now it will only play till the music end, till where you have edited. Okay, now if you change your mind and you say that okay, this is the end of the video, then what you can do is go here in the corner and click on the Apple devices 1080p. If you want to export it in 4K, you can do that too, but if you want to do it in 1080p, click on this one, give it a name, like I would say test video, and click on share. Now you can see that the video is being exported right here. If you do not like this kind of loading, you can click on this, you will see sharing, you can see the speed, so it's being exported. Okay, so once this has been exported, people do not know where the file has been exported to, so initially it exports it in this place. Let me show you. Open your Finder, click on Go, click on Home. Then click on Music, iTunes, iTunes Media, Home. This is the place where Final Cut Pro exports your videos. So I think this is enough of the basics. Now you can edit a video, a simple video, and export it. So if this video helps you guys, then make sure to give it a like. So I will continue this tutorial. We will get into more advanced levels, but till now we're in the basics. So this is the first basics tutorial, and I made you so able that you can export your first video and start your YouTube channel. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.